Hi, my name is Martha Ramos. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I came to ProMed because I heard I had messed up disc and sciatica. And since I've been here, when I first arrived, my pain level was horrendous. I could not walk, stand. I would have electric shocks going down to my back, to my legs, up my shoulders. I had basically lost control of my ability to walk, to stand. Then we heard about ADR per protocol. And we came here, and basically we did some treatments, no surgery, which was happy for me. I was so happy about that. And then I did my sessions. I did everything I had to do. And then I basically was from pain level 12 to 15 a day to 101, no pain. I'm thankful for the staff, the doctors, the technology that they have. I'm ecstatic because I don't have no more pain, and I can do all the things I used to do, and I can do it better. I thank the staff and the doctors again, and ADR protocol, and thank you guys.